There's love in every bit of the mishmash. The Gisele Mishmash!
Hi, I'm Gisele, and I am wearing the letter S. The letter S makes the sound S. The letter S gives me superpowers. Yep, that's right. For example, I am feeling hungry. Letter S, activate your powers to fill my hunger. Ah, a sandwich. Sandwich begins with the letter S. Sandwich begins with the sound S. Ooh, it's a bit chilly in here. Oh. Letter S, activate your powers so that I warm up. Ah! The sun is out. Sun begins with the sound S. Sun begins with the letter S. Ooh, that sun is nice and warm, but it sure is bright. Whew. Oh, letter S, activate your powers so that I can see. Ah! Sunglasses. Sunglasses begin with the sound S. Sunglasses begin with the letter S. Oh, thank you, letter S. Now I can see what's up next here in the Gisele Mishmash. Walking, walking, I love to go for walks. Walking, walking. A book box! I love books. A book! Do you know this letter? It's the letter S. The letter S says S. Slide! Slide begins with S. Slide begins with S. Sandbox! Sandbox begins with S. Sandbox begins with S. Stroller. Stroller begins with S. Stuck. Stuck begins with S. Stuck begins with S. Oh well, I'll just sit here and read my book and find more S words. What S words can you find around you?
I sweep, I clean the chimney deep. Ashes and soot make me cha. Oh, excuse me. Oh, hello, I am Dusty, the chimney sweep, and I sweep the dusty chimney. All right, let's see now. Oh, how's the chimney looking? Oh, I see something blocking the chimney. There we go. Oh, oh. What's this? S-E. See? See? S-E. S-E. It's the word see. See what? Oh, I see ashes and soot. Achoo!
I went to the fruit market and I picked up some fruit. I picked up a banana. And do you know what this is? A kiwi. Strawberries. And a lemon. So, I was thinking we can play an I Spy game with my fruit. Would you like to play an I Spy game with me? Okay, so I spy with my little eye a fruit that begins with the sound S. Do you know what letter makes the sound S? The letter S makes the sound S. So I spy a fruit that begins with the sound S. How about a banana? Does banana begin with the sound S? No! Banana begins with the sound B. And how about kiwi? Does kiwi begin with the sound S? No! Kiwi begins with the sound K. I spy a fruit that begins with the sound S. How about a lemon? Does lemon begin with the sound S? No! Lemon begins with the sound O. And how about strawberries? Does strawberry begin with the sound S? Strawberry begins with the sound S. And I know something else that begins with the sound S. Scrumptious. A strawberry is scrumptious. In honor of the sound S, I am making a snack. Snack begins with the sound S. Snack begins with the letter S. So, to make my snack, I take a celery stick, a small one. I'm going to slice it like this. There is a little celery stick. And then I add some cream cheese. This is this yummy stuff here. You can ask a grown-up if you can make this yummy snack. There we go. And now I add a half slice of cucumber. There's a slice, and now I cut it in half like this. See? Okay, I take one half and then I place it on my celery stick like so. And now I add 2 little pieces, whoopsies, of carrot. Okay, I'm gonna slice a little piece like that and like this. And a grown-up can help you do the slicing. And then I add these little slices of carrot, like so, into the cream cheese. Oh, there we go. And now I take a raisin and I cut it in half. I'll use my safety scissors to cut like this. Okay, and then add the raisins right at the front of the celery stick, right there. Right in front of, whoopsies, the carrot slices. And do you see what I have? Oh! I have a snail. And snail, like snack, begins with the sound S. Oh, hello, little snail. A snail is slow. Oh, you are so slow, but come to mama. That's it, you can do it. Oh, yeah. Grown-ups, if you like this video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and please tell a friend. Doing so helps me to grow my channel so I can create more educational kids videos for YouTube. I'll see you in more videos of the Gisele Mishmash.